Hey guys,
and welcome back to
that's what you got to fail.
Oops.
Hey guys,
And welcome back to our channel. Hello, this is
D-Dog.
and today we are doing the twin telepathy slime challenge.
She's crazy. No, Leon, she's crazy.
So let's get started. So first we are going to add our glue because what slime doesn't have glue?
Your slime?
Okay. You're supposed to take off the thing.
Ow! Yeah, they printed you. Stop. You're crazy. You're a crazy woman. I'm gonna try to.
Okay. Okay, so let's see who picks first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Damn it.
I go first. Okay. Can you see?
Nope.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Oh, he gets a point. Okay. Throw it in.
So what did you do?
Oh, by the way, we got red and this was green.
Yeah, this was yellow.
It's not come out.
This is red, this is yellow, and that's
It's green.
and that. What?
This is green. Supposed to be.
No, this is yellow. Do you see?
But it says electric green.
Yeah, because it's
Oh.
electric
Okay.
fire and that's
There we go.
I'm just gonna make it yellow.
Look at this. I let drop so. So now it's his turn to pick. And we have red glitter.
Ooh.
And the steelish
Red glitter.
light glitter. So go. Did you pick?
No. Okay.
That look. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Darn.
I get a point. Thank you. Beautiful. So this round it's my turn, and we have this greenish, green pearly beads, and then we have this peachy pinkish color pearly beads. Okay. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I get a point. Okay.
I'm just
Okay.
gonna fluff some of it in my stomach because I
Okay.
don't like it in my stomach.
So now it's his turn. Our options are this pretty blue sequins or this flowery sparkly thingies. Okay. Pick. This one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I get a point. Pretty flowers.
What a cheat. What a cheat.
I didn't know. Okay, so this round I pick, and we have this gross bugs, flies and cockroaches and ants and stuff. And then we have googly eyes. So let's pick. Okay, I'll choose this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Yeah. Go. Ooh. So now we are going to mix it. Okay. Let's mix. Good. Okay, activate it. Sorry. Ew. Looks gross. Okay, my turn. Oh, pink. It's pink.
It looks weird.
Ooh, it's pretty.
It looks like a barf.
Are you ready? Do you want to activate it?
Okay, let's activate.
Okay, let's start activating. Well, it sounds like mine looks weird. It's full of these eyes looking at me. Put some more activator. It's starting to form a little bit. A little. Looks like Jello.
Are you playing with the eyes?
No.
Yes.
No.
Now, let's put our hands in. Ugh. Sorry. Just get off the spoon. Feels gross with all these beads. Yeah. Yours looks a bit overactivated. It's okay. Mine is too new, but we'll fix it. Okay, we are going to keep mixing, and when we're done mixing, we'll show you how our slimes turned out.
Bro, boy.
So, this is how our slimes turned out. Mine's a little bit overactivated, his is also overactivated. So comment down below whose slime turned out better. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you can get notified every time we post a video. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.